Hi math lovers, can you simplify this algebraic problem? We have square root of 5 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 5 in numerator divided by square root of 15. Let's start from numerator. We have square root of 5 that we can factor out. Factor out means square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 will be 1 plus another square root of 5 divided by square root of 5 will be again 1 plus the last one, 1. For numerator, we have square root of 5 times 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is same thing as we have at the beginning. If we multiply back, we will get the same thing. For denominator, we have square root of 15, right? We can write down square root of 3 times 5. Again, this is same thing as we have. We didn't change anything, just we rewrite the same thing in different way to start simplifying it. Equals to, for numerator, 1 plus 1 plus 1, parenthesis, right? First, we will have 3 times square root of 5. For denominator, if we have multiply here, only if we have multiply and divide, we can separate the radicals. We can write down square root of 3 times square root of 5. If we had here subtraction or addition, we never could separate the radicals. Only if we have multiplication or division under the square root. This is equal to, what we have here, square root of 5, both in numerator and denominator. That means if they are multiplied, again, they are not added or subtracted, they are multiplied, we can cross out. This will be 1. Square root of 5 divided square root of 5 equals to 1. What we have now, we left with 3 in numerator and square root of 3 in denominator. As you watched my previous videos, we have rationalized the denominator video or short that says we never can leave radical under the denominator. Radicals must be in numerator only. This is not approved in mathematically or algebraically. How can we escape from this radical sign? We can multiply both numerator and denominator with the square root of 3. We have to do same thing with both numerator and denominator to keep the fraction same. In this case, we will have 3 times square root of 3 in numerator and square root of 3 times square root of 3, like same number times same number, will become square, right? Same way is here. We will have square root of 3 squared. As you know, square root, it will be like 3 to the power of 1 over 2, which is same thing as square root of 3. If we multiply this with 2, this will become 2 divided by 2, or these 2's will cross out. We will left with only 3. That's why we can say this radical sign can cross out with this square. This is equal to 3 times square root of 3 in numerator divided by 3 only in denominator. Now, what we can do, again, if we have multiplication here, we can cross out these 3's. That means 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times square root of 3 is square root of 3 only. So the solution for here, we will have square root of 3 as the answer of this algebraic radical problem. I hope you understand and liked it. I liked radical problems. I'm tutoring more than 20 years, and one of my favorite parts to explain the student is radical problems or equations. Thank you for following. Please comment, like, and subscribe.